Have you ever wondered how seemingly random events can follow predictable patterns? The answer lies in the fascinating world of statistical distributions. They are the hidden language of data, whispering secrets about the world around us. Imagine a bustling city street. At first glance, it seems random, but within this chaos lies a hidden order, a pattern waiting to be discovered. This order is revealed through statistical distributions. Just like there are different personalities, data too comes in different distributions. One of the most common is the normal distribution. Think about the height of people in a population. Most people cluster around the average height. This bell-shaped curve is the hallmark of the normal distribution. The world of data is vast and diverse. We have the exponential distribution, modeling the time between events. Each distribution has unique characteristics and applications. Now, let's talk about simulations. Imagine having a time machine that allows you to test different scenarios and see their outcomes without any real-world consequences. That's the power of simulations. By using statistical distributions as building blocks, simulations allow us to create virtual models of complex systems. We can then run these models countless times, tweaking different variables and observing the outcomes. This helps us understand how different factors interact and influence the system's behavior. But like any powerful tool, simulations have their limitations. The accuracy of a simulation depends on the accuracy of the data and assumptions used to build it. A poorly designed simulation can lead to misleading results and misguided decisions. So, how can we ensure that our simulations are reliable and provide meaningful insights? The key lies in understanding the strengths and limitations of both statistical distributions and simulation techniques. Section 4. From Finance to Manufacturing: Real-World Applications of Statistical Distributions. Statistical distributions and simulations are not just abstract mathematical concepts. They have real-world applications that impact our lives in countless ways. In finance, for example, analysts use statistical distributions to model stock prices, assess risks, and make investment decisions. By understanding the historical distribution of stock returns, they can estimate the probability of different future scenarios and make more informed investment choices. In manufacturing, simulations are used to optimize production processes, reduce costs, and improve product quality. By simulating different production scenarios, engineers can identify bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and ensure that products meet the desired quality standards. These are just a few examples of how statistical distributions and simulations are being used to solve real-world problems and drive innovation across different industries. Section 5. The Future of Analysis: Embracing the Power of Simulation. As we generate more and more data, traditional methods of analysis struggle to keep up. This is where simulations come in, offering a powerful alternative for navigating the complexities of our data-driven world. By embracing the power of statistical distributions and simulations, we can unlock a deeper understanding of our world, make more informed decisions, and create a better future. But this is just the beginning, my friends. In our next discussion, we'll explore how this data revolution is driving a new era of digital transformation, reshaping industries and redefining the possibilities of human ingenuity. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts and questions. What is your favorite statistical distribution and why? How have you used simulation in your work or studies? What challenges have you faced when using statistical distributions? Which real-world application of statistical distributions do you find most fascinating? How do you think simulation can be improved in the future? Let me know in the comments.
Visit our website beawarechannel.com, and once you are going to visit our website beawarechannel.com, in a tab of simulation you can visit our tab in simulation, and once you come in simulation tab, you would be able to see subscription for premium content access here. So you just need to select your required premium subscription plan. We have it monthly, we have it quarterly, and we have it yearly. So as per your requirement, you can purchase a subscription plan, and once you have purchased a subscription plan, you can come to the training classes page which we have available on our behaviorchannel.com. And once we receive a payment from you, we would be sending you a approval email. And once you are going to receive a approval email, it is just a matter of click. You just need to visit a training classes page, and once you are going to visit this training classes page, you have to just come in below here, have you purchased a subscription, and you just need to hit a button here.